Hauling minis around can be just nerve-wracking and cringy, especially if you're going to go on long travel like an air flight, because these little guys, especially these Warhammers, just have a lot of pieces that can break. Well, join me today as I look at a product that may solve some of my woes. See you guys inside. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video, as I said, we were talking about transporting these wonderful miniatures to just even the hobby shop for gameplay or wherever else you're taking them to go. It can be nerve-wracking, especially if you have those foam bags. I hate those things so much. I've had good ones. I've had ones with frames in them and everything else, and it's just nerve-wracking putting these wonderful high-detailed minis in the foam, watching something snag and a piece break off, or worry that my bag is going to get crushed and my mini's destroyed. Unfortunately, that's happened. But we put so much work into our minis and our Warhammer figurines and all that stuff that we work so hard to paint them, make them look beautiful, just for them to go and get destroyed. Well, today we're going to look at something from Jucoci that changes the name of the game. We're not going to use foam anymore. We're going magnetic. So we're going to hop over to the other table. We're going to build this thing, and we're going to take a good detailed look at it. Let's hop over to the table and take a look. Alright guys, so like I said, we popped over to the table. This is the kind of stuff I'm talking about. Beautiful looking bag, foam, inserts. You know, the thing about it is you put a mini in there, it still crushes. How does that really protect your minis? You know what, in all honesty, it's not that great about protecting them. Maybe if you're just driving up to the hobby shop, it's fine. Then you get the sword points and all that stuff in these that snag and just drive me insane trying to get them out safely. Well, that's my opinion of that right now. And that's where this comes into play. So this is the Jucoci miniature storage case. We are going to put this thing together real quick. But the changer is you install magnets on the bottom of your minis. And they connect to the trays inside. So no foam, nothing touching them, just your minis on these metal plates, holding it down as you go along your travels. So, but the other kicker to this is, well, you've got all these wonderful metal plates that just look like serving trays. You're also upgrading to a hard case. There ain't no more soft panel walls in this guy. This guy is made with tough, hard plastic. So this had to go, you know, up in with my carry-on. You know, odds of this getting crushed by another suitcase smacking against it, pretty low. That other bag, I probably lost my minis. Darn turbulence. So we're gonna get this put together real quick, and we're gonna take a closer look at it, just to kind of see what all we need to do. So I'm going to time lapse through the assembly here real quick, just to kind of give you guys a quick look of how this is assembled, because honestly, it looks like I'm pulling a bunch of parts out of here. I'm really not. Well, I kind of am. There's a lot of pieces, but you guys can see the grooves in here that the trays can slide in, so you can have different height adjusts for each tray to accommodate our larger military factions. And just safely accommodate all of our minis. So, because I don't know about you guys, but when it comes to like Warhammer, I like the Imperial Knights. Personally, I love building those. So it hurts my soul when one gets damaged. But also, I like building Death Guard, the Eldari, which are very small, thin pieces, and it's annoying trying to get them transported somewhere safely. So I'm going to get this built, and we'll catch up after I'm done with that. Alright guys, that's it. Assembly complete. Open her up. You've got your internal casing. You take the wonderful trays. You pick the size of your unit. And you slide them in accordingly. That way, it's all the proper height. Your units don't have to worry about, crunching a big tall unit in a little bitty hole. You don't have to worry about that. Spare trays with data cards and stuff. I'd put them up at the top like this. But you can put a lot of minis in that tight little space. I'm going to go ahead and put this guy down at the bottom. Now, the only thing that's sad about this one is they didn't send any magnets. But down in the description below, I will list some magnets to give a try and help out. But just like that, you're ready to go to war. It's honestly not that heavy. It's very heavy construction. A little loud with the tray sometimes, so what I may do is take and put some little sticky rubber gaskets on there to kind of make them sit a little quieter. But all in all, that's taking your minis in style right there. You're taking them to the hobby shop or wherever you're going in style, safety, and security. So the only trick is the bigger they are, the bigger magnet you probably need. And I will have some lists of different sizes, different kits from Amazon in the description down below to kind of show off. But all in all, there's that wonderful case. And if you guys enjoyed this content, make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you really did enjoy it, make sure you give me that like button. If you got any questions about this guy, hit me up in the comments down below and definitely let us know, because I'm excited to ditch the foam bag and go with this. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next week. Have a good one.